Okay, so you want to watch movies on Stremio, but you know that when you are on Stremio and click something, you can see that sometimes no streams were found, or just it doesn't let you watch it. For example, I can watch The Voice, there's no problem watching The Voice, but as you can see, Am I OK has subscription mode HD, so I have to pay to watch Am I OK? Well, the first thing you have to do is to find the movie you want to see, for example, The Kid, and check that this have an option that says no subscription. For example, this one, 180 pixels, it has no subscription, so if I choose the second option, I will have to pay, but the first option doesn't need you to pay nothing. So if this video was useful, I will ask you to subscribe, like, comment, share, clicking the bell, and see you in the next time. Goodbye, easy way.